In this video, we're going to be learning about HTML basics. And the reason why I wanted to go over HTML is because we're going to be dealing with HTML in our simple web scraper. So HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages, and it stands for Hypertext Markup. Now, HTML describes the structure of web pages using markup, and HTML has elements. And these elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. So you see this actual page has HTML elements that make up the whole page. It describe the page. So, but besides that, here is a tool. It's called jsbin.com, and I'm using to actually show how the HTML elements make up a page. So this is just a sample. On the left side, we have the HTML elements. So we have basically the markup. And on the right side, we have the actual page. So what that markup resolves down to. As you can see, you have basically certain tags. These are called tags. And these tags, each tag means something. The H1, it stands for it's basically a tag for a heading. H2 is a subheading. There's different other subheadings too, like H3. And P stands for paragraph. Table has other tags within it that make up the entire table. So, you have a way in which you can create a table, and you see it just follows a specific format, and you just basically need to know the rules. And once you know the rules, you just put it all together and you are able to create a table. In this case, for a table, right, you have the table tag, and then within that you have the t-body tag. T-body tag then has the tr. As you can see, the tr is basically customer name, right? And the tr, not the customer name, but the tr has th, which stands for the heading, right? And then the heading has customer name, customer ID, and customer type. So it's these three things right here. But those three things are within a tr. So your tr is basically your row. And then you have another tr for, Avidas, and basically the ID and the frequent, that's a type. It's just like a sample. In this case, it's about a customer. It can be about anything else. And then so the tr is your row, and then you have your columns, right, one by one by one. And then you have the third column is a James 1003 is the ID, type is frequent, right? But that's how you describe it. You describe it through your markup by using these HTML elements to describe it, that basically describe the page, so that when it resolves down from HTML, it actually shows you what you described in your HTML. And that's pretty much it. I mean, that's what HTML is. It's basically just a bunch of elements. Some of them you have not seen because I didn't put everything on my tutorial. The tutorial would be huge if I did so. But in our actual example, when we're scraping Craigslist, you will see a lot more tags, a lot more HTML elements, but all those are just basically specific things, specific tags that mean specific things. That's all it is. And the page is constructed by putting all these elements together in such a way that you want your page to look like. And that's all it is. So that's what HTML is, just elements that follow specific rules, and based on those rules, you put them together in such a way that you want your page to look like, and you create your web page. And that's how websites are being created. That's how you do the front end of your web applications for your websites. You use HTML, you use that markup language to describe your page. So I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on this, just so you know what we're dealing with, so that when we're dealing with HTML elements, you're comfortable and you understand the meaning behind it. But that's it for now.